With the reveal that the Death Devil has both Gyoni, Guillotine, and the Falling Devil, there is something we need to discuss. If Death can carry figurine-esque versions of devils with her, if this is one of her powers, does this mean that, well, power is going to return via the Death Devil? I think there is enough evidence to support this theory, as in one of the most recent chapters, Yoru tells Denji that the Blood Devil could be with the Death Devil, and seeing as Death has collected Gyoni and Falling, what other devils besides potentially power does she have inside her hollowed out tummy?